this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Ang ganda-ganda natin reaction video, ang performance again ni Jerome Evardome, which is sa Papua New Guinea. Ang title ng kanta nito is My Way. Hindi ako sure kung first time ko itong marinig si, what do you call this? Um, uh, what do you call this? Si Jerome kumanta ng My Way. Narinig ko na ba? I'm not pretty sure. Pero shoutout pala kay Ma'am Christina Ignacio. Thank you so much for sending this one. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Sana ang higpit talaga ng mga kinakanta ni Jerome sa copyright. Pagpasensya nyo na. Kasi kung hindi ko lalagyan siya ng mga overlay background music or parang piano na rhythm, hindi ko talaga siya mapapublish. Totoo lang. So I hope you do understand, guys. So anyhow, let's start this reaction video. Medyo mahaba-haba pala to. 4 minutes pala ito na video. Tapos, syempre magchichika pa tayo. So hahaba talaga to for today. Anyways.
Public fun party, you know. You might get shot. The title of the song is called
You Might Get Shocked.
My Way.
Ay, so first time, no? Wait lang, hindi ako papayag. Wait lang, Jerome Evardome, My Way. Tingnan ko nga kung nakanta niya na yung My Way na ginawa ko ng reaction video. Ay, sila ni Ruel. Oo, kumanta na sila ni Ruel nito. Ng My Way. Usually si Ruel talagang kumakanta nito. Ay, hindi. Kumanta siya. Oo, ginawa. December 21 sa... yeah. Oo, ginawa. December 21 ginawa ko ng reaction video ang My Way niya. Sa concert niya. Sorry. Nakalimutan ko na.
My Way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
Ganda talaga ng boses niya. Ganda ng arrangement, ha? Yung vibrato niya, lumalabas talaga. Yung tindi niya talaga, oh. Alam niyo bakit ako napaiyak? Alam niyo bakit ako napaiyak? Napapikit ako. Parang nang kinanta niya yung part na yun or itong My Way na to, it feels like home. You know what I mean? It feels like home. Parang, alam mo yung comfort? Alam mo yung comfort? Yung tipong komportable ka pag sa bahay mo talaga. Kahit sabihin mong nasa hotel ka, hindi iba ang comfort talaga nang nasa bahay ka compare sa hotel ka. I can really feel the comfort. Plus, parang na-miss ko bigla ang bahay. You know what I mean? Kaya napapikit ako eh. Wow, and also the hangin. Tingnan mo, nakikisabay ang hangin sa kanya. Inaano siya, yung hangin pumupunta sa kanya. Tingnan mo yung damit niya. Ganda oh. Concert feels, no? Galing talaga siya. Hi. Full of emotion. You know, my Bardome, as always, he ate and left no crumbs. Thank you, Ma'am Christina, for making me cry for today's video. There you go, guys. That is all for today's video. The Filipino pride in Papua New Guinea, Jerome Bardome. Of course, this is Kibo Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!